Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are representing Group 2 specifically from the Sponsorship Committee. Today we will presenting the background of our program Empowering Digital Footprint Awareness through Ethical AI Cyber Hasanat and our role as a member of the Sponsorship Committee. So, this is the group members. The first one is Amir Zakwan bin Muhammad Kamarul Anwar. Metric number is 1241355. The second one is Muhammad Ali Faikal bin Muhammad Zamri. The metric number is 1241365. And the third one is Muhammad Al-Amin bin Muhammad Yuzdi. Metric number is 1241357. And the last one is Alif Nu'man bin Zairul Azhar. The number metric is 1241352. For the background, the Sponsorship Committee serves an essential function in the empowering digital footprint awareness through Ethical AI Cyber Hasanat program that took place on 11 July 2026 at Sekolah Menengah Agama Persekutuan Labu by Group 2 as a part of the Service Learning Malaysia University for Society Sulam program. In the first place is our duties were to arrange sponsorship for the program. They include seeking for the potential sponsors, developing sponsorship proposals, communicating with organizations and companies, conducting follow-ups regarding sponsorship application, and keeping track of the sponsorship data. Thanks to this task, we managed not only to cut down the cost of the program, but also to provide proper acknowledgement to the sponsors via promoting materials and events. To sum up, the sponsorship committee managed to perform their duties well in terms of forming the relationship with the sponsor as well as implementing the program successfully.
Okay, for our activities, we identifying potential sponsors, prepare sponsorship proposal, sending requests via WhatsApp, phone calls and emails, following up with potential sponsors, updating and sponsorship tracking lists, and coordinating with other committees. Our objectives were to secure financial and in-kind sponsorship, reduce programming expenses, and ensure sufficient resources for the successful of the program. Okay, our responsibilities include receiving and verifying all the sponsorship contribution, distributing sponsored item when required, displaying the sponsor logo on the banner presentation when the program is running, acknowledging sponsors during the program, and documenting all sponsorship activities. So the sponsor will be advertised during this session. As a result, the sponsorship will manage successfully. Sponsors receive the recognition promised to them, and their support contribute to the smooth execution of the program. After the event, our committee sent appreciation letters to the sponsor, prepared the sponsorship report, updated sponsorship records, collected necessary documentation and photos as a result from us to contribute to the sponsor, evaluate the overall sponsorship performance. As a result, sponsors received proper appreciation, sponsorship records were complete, and important information was prepared for future programs.
Now I will explain the challenge that we faced during this project. The first challenge was securing sponsorship because many companies received multiple sponsorship requests and some had limited budgets. The second challenge that we face is delayed response, as some sponsors need more time for their approval process. We also face time constraints because we had to prepare proposal while managing other program tasks. Another challenge was limited financial support, as some sponsors only provide products or refreshments instead of cash. We also experienced communication issues such as difficulty contacting the right person and delayed replies. Finally, committee coordination was challenging because everyone had different schedules. So, to overcome this challenge, we applied several solutions. First, we contact more companies and local business to increase our chance of getting sponsorship. We also follow up regularly by sending reminder emails and message to potential sponsors. Next, we improve our sponsorship proposal by making it more professional and clearly explaining the program goals and sponsor benefits. To manage our time, we prioritize sponsorship tasks and follow a planned timeline. We also strengthen teamwork by dividing responsibilities among committee members and holding regular updates. Finally, we prepare backup plans by identifying alternative sponsors and adjusting our budget when needed. Finally, I would like to share our critical reflection on this project. Through this experience, we improve our communication, negotiation, teamwork, time management, and problem-solving skills. We also learned that early planning, professional communication, and good teamwork are important for securing sponsorship successfully. In addition, proper documentation can help improve future programs. Personally, this project increased our confidence in handling sponsorship responsibilities and gave our a better understanding of event management and working with external stakeholders.